What's up guys, Mickle here, and it is officially the calm before the storm. In this video, I want to talk about how we are right around the corner from one of the biggest events in cryptocurrency history and outline exactly what it's going to do for the price of these cryptocurrencies. Now guys, the big catalyst we are really going to be talking about in this video is the Bitcoin spot ETF, but I want to show you exactly how this will also impact the price of XRP. I see a lot of people worrying that this Bitcoin ETF is only going to affect Bitcoin and not XRP. Guys, I want to show you a couple charts that's going to make it clear to you that we are right around the corner from a massive XRP breakout. This is a video you do not want to miss. Like always, your support means so much to this channel. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to take a quick second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's really going to help me out so much. Also, if you ever need a good place to buy some XRP, make sure to check out my favorite exchange, Uphold, down in the description of this video. Uphold is currently giving away 100,000 XRP. Guys, you do not want to miss out on 100,000 XRP. Go sign up with Uphold using the link in the description of this video. With that said, though, let's jump right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. Guys, I just want to start out this video and quickly give an update on the Bitcoin spot ETFs. And it seems like every single day now, it is just becoming more and more obvious that these things are going to be a reality in early January. We are getting report after report now that the SEC is now satisfied with the structure of these Bitcoin spot ETFs, and that the SEC is pretty much going to approve these things in early January. Now, this is something we have been monitoring for a while on this channel from the early days of when we weren't even really sure if these things would be passed, but now what we're seeing is that the SEC is fully engaged with these issuers, and it looks like everything has been put into place to actually convert these products into spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now, I have talked about on this channel exactly what this could do for the price of Bitcoin, how much demand could flow into the market overnight when these things were approved. And some of the estimates say that if we saw these Bitcoin ETFs approved in early January, we could see a price of Bitcoin at $190,000 overnight. Now, guys, there's no telling what's actually going to happen, but it seems like to me, there's going to be a massive inflow of capital into this market. I personally know so many people in my life who have tried to buy Bitcoin in their traditional brokerage, but couldn't do it, and then gave up on buying Bitcoin, right? These people wanted to type in Bitcoin to their TD account, to their Charles Schwab account, see Bitcoin pop up, and then buy Bitcoin there. But as soon as they found out that they actually had to go to a cryptocurrency exchange or learn about self-custody, they suddenly lost interest. So I actually think there's going to be a massive wall of capital that's going to be looking to enter the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market the second these ETFs are approved. And guys, the other thing that I don't think enough people are talking about is these Bitcoin spot ETFs being indexed into other ETFs like the S&P 500 or an innovation ETF that's going to cause trillions of dollars of capital to flow in over the long term. So guys, I really do subscribe to the idea that these Bitcoin ETFs are going to cause a massive injection of liquidity into the market, but I want to now talk about what this is going to mean for other cryptocurrencies, specifically XRP, because I think a lot of people hear me talk about this narrative and say, why are you so focused on Bitcoin? How is this actually going to impact XRP? And guys, I want to show you that this is going to have a huge impact on the entire cryptocurrency space. And for me, the most important cryptocurrency out there is XRP. So I want to start off and just show you that the XRP price chart is poised for a breakout. This is something we have been watching for a while on this channel. We have been stuck in this massive consolidation period forever, but we are at the end of the consolidation period and XRP is pressing towards the top of the resistance. Guys, we have seen XRP go through this formation before, and every single time the price explodes out of it. Now, it can explode to the upside or downside, but the thing we know is we are going into an extremely bullish catalyst right now. We are going into an extremely bullish time period. So what we know is XRP is at a point where it looks like it's poised for a breakout. It's above all the moving averages. It's at the end of this consolidation region. And what we know is we have a massive injection of liquidity about to come into the market. Now, the question a lot of people are asking, and rightly so, is this injection of liquidity only going to affect Bitcoin, or is it going to affect all cryptocurrencies? And guys, to that, I say all we need to do is look at history. Take a look at this chart right here, because I think this is one of the most important charts we need to be focusing on. This is the current altcoin market cap versus the total market cap cycle in 2021. So this is what happened in 2021 on the right, and this is what's happening right now on the left. And what you can see is these markets look identical. We saw in 2021 a massive breakout in the altcoins as Bitcoin made its run. And what we're seeing is the altcoin market is poised to do the exact same thing now. So guys, what am I trying to say here? Well, what we are obviously seeing right now is a massive breakout in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost back to its all-time high. I'm sure you've seen a Bitcoin price chart over the last couple weeks. I'm sure you've been looking at it daily, but what you're seeing right here is it's fairly obvious Bitcoin is approaching its all-time highs. Altcoins have not made that move yet, right? Altcoins are still lagging behind a little bit, like they always do. But they are poised to move in the same exact way as they have in every other cycle, which is going up exponentially as Bitcoin goes up. Guys, altcoins have never led Bitcoin. That has never happened once, but every single time they have gotten more exponential than Bitcoin and moved with Bitcoin accordingly. So what do I think that's going to do for the price of Bitcoin? Well, obviously, I think that's going to make Bitcoin rip. I think it's very possible we see Bitcoin over $100,000 in the next year, and that could be a severe underestimate depending on how popular these Bitcoin spot ETFs really are. Well, guys, based on history, based on everything we have seen in the past, this injection of capital into Bitcoin is going to flow into the entire cryptocurrency sector. And the altcoins are showing us that they are setting up for this exact scenario, just like they have every single time before in the past. So guys, what we are seeing is Bitcoin is taking off. Bitcoin is getting that injection of liquidity that we all knew was going to happen. What's the next thing we know? We know that altcoins are positioned absolutely perfectly to capitalize off Bitcoin rising and the inflow of capital into Bitcoin. The charts look the same, and we are right around the corner from the exponential movement. And I know it's probably hard to see on the screen right now, but if you really look at this red box right here, you can see that the altcoins have already broken out of the resistance they have been stuck in right here, right? The altcoins have already broken out of this resistance and look like they are poised to enter price discovery. So looking at that, we can say, okay, let's take a look at where the XRP price chart is. And if we take a look at the XRP price chart, we can see that XRP is absolutely ready to make its move. We know that XRP is at the end of this massive consolidation region. We know XRP is above all its moving averages, and we know that the altcoins are about to break out. Is XRP going to be the first altcoin to break out? Absolutely not. It never is. But we are watching altcoin after altcoin begin their breakouts. Things like Solana, things like Quant, things like a lot of meme coins are starting to show that this market is ready to rip. XRP is never first. It has never been first, but it always moves one of the fastest and has some of the most gains behind it. We saw back in 2017 that XRP made one of the biggest runs out there. And I think we are at a time period right now in the cryptocurrency market where things could get even more exponential than 2017. Guys, we are watching real utility built in this market. XRP actually being used for cross-border payments. Ripple actually working with central banks to build central bank digital currencies. Real utility for these protocols. And what we are seeing now is institutions are looking to build financial products around these cryptocurrencies. Guys, we are at the time period of mainstream adoption. We are at the time period where these protocols are actually being adopted for their full intended use case. And not only that, but the charts are absolutely lining up like we could be around the corner from something absolutely massive. Guys, for me, there's absolutely no question in my mind that if this market moves like I think it can move with the influx of capital coming into Bitcoin, that XRP will be one of the cryptocurrencies that is poised to benefit the most. It has the legal clarity, it has the institutions, it has Ripple likely IPOing in the next couple years to bring even more institutional interest into this XRP ecosystem specifically. Guys, the utility is there, it's deflationary, it has all the different aspects that a cryptocurrency needs to benefit when these prices go exponential. Now guys, to be honest, there's probably going to be a lot of cryptocurrencies that benefit in this next bull run, but for me, XRP is just the obvious choice. The institutional use case, the explosive price action before in the past, the decades of history behind it, a proven track record, a proven performer, a proven leader in this market. Guys, XRP is right around the corner from something absolutely great, and we see all the signs are pointing to the fact that this is right around the corner. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe. Guys, next week we're going to start back up with the live stream, so if you're not subscribed, you might miss out on those. If you're subscribed, you'll see exactly when I go live, and you can ask me whatever questions you want. You do not want to miss out on that. Don't miss out on the 100,000 XRP uphold giveaway either, guys. Just get your name in there. Like, why not? You don't want to miss out on 100,000 XRP. I'm entered into that thing hundreds of times. Guys, for now, Mickle out.